Good morning everyone, welcome to our short cooking vlog. So today we will cook Bicol Express. But before that, we need first to go to the supermarket to buy the needed ingredients. So first, we need to buy the chicken, second is the dynamite, then pepper, onion, garlic, and ginger. But for the oil, we did not need it to buy because we have it already in our kitchen. To buy chicken cubes, magic syrup to make our Bicol Express taste good. Now that we all buy the needed ingredients, we need to wash it all. And we need also to wash the chicken. After washing all the ingredients, then we start to slicing it. First, we slice the onion. After slicing the onion, we also need to slice the garlic. Followed by the ginger. And lastly, the dynamite. We have here the ingredients needed in Bicol Express. So first we have the chicken, the onion and the garlic, the ginger, the dynamite, and also we have the chicken cube, pepper, and lastly the magic syrup. Now let's proceed to cooking. So first we need to preheat the pan, then put a little bit amount of oil, then put the garlic, then stir it. Then followed by the onion. And stir it again. The ginger. And then ready to put the dynamite and stir it again. Then followed by the chicken. Stir it slightly until it's slightly cooked. When the chicken is slightly cooked, so we need first to put the coconut oil or the gata. And then stir it well. After stirring it well, we put also the pepper, then followed by nor cube, then the magic syrup, then mix it well or stir it well. Then a small amount of salt, and also a small amount of sugar. Then stir it well or mix it well. Then put additional dynamite that have not been sliced. Then wait until will fully cook. And now that we're done, and this is our finished product, the Bicol Express dish.
And thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoy watching our short cooking vlog.